Hello my beautiful friends, this is Priya. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. Today I have something a little different for you guys. I will be sharing my regular skincare routine. I will be showing you a combination of products that I use on a daily basis. I used to struggle with a lot of breakouts since my skin is very oily and sensitive, and these products that I will be showing you today have helped me achieve a healthier, less oily skin. To wipe off my makeup, I use Nivea Micellar water. Just soak a cotton pad and gently wipe your face with it. This contains 0% alcohol, leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. So far, best product I have used for removing makeup. It will also prep your skin for the next step of the face skincare routine. Wanted to let you guys know that this video is not at all sponsored. These are my honest feedback on the products which I use on a daily basis. For cleanser, I'm using L'Oreal Fine Flowers Cleansing Gel with rose and jasmine flower extracts. This purifies skin of dirt, oil, any makeup residue, and helps tighten pores as well, leaving the skin feeling clean, fresh, and comforted. I'm gently massaging the product on my face, and after this I will be using a warm towel to take off any left off makeup or any kind of products off my face. For toner, I'm using the L'Oreal Fine Flowers toner with rose and jasmine flower extracts. This product leaves the skin looking radiant and hydrated. This has a multiple purpose, and the first one is that it helps close large pores on skin. It prevents absorption of chemicals from beauty products. It helps dry out excess oil and maintains the pH level of the skin. I'm using the Garnier Soothing Facial Mist with Rosewater. This instantly hydrates skin and also reduces skin redness. As you guys can notice, my skin looks really red right now. Rosewater has been used as a beauty product for years, which isn't a surprise, and the antibacterial properties also reduces acne. To moisturize my face, I'm using the Olay Complete Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 15. This protects damage from sun and provides 48 hours of hydration for skin. Most importantly, this contains a vitamin E, B3, and C to maintain a healthy looking skin. It's an oil-free formula that doesn't clog pores, which is a plus point for skin like mine, oily and sensitive. I have used many exfoliating products and this one is my favorite. I always use Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub to exfoliate my skin while taking a shower. This contains vitamins complex E and B5, leaving the skin feeling soft, smooth and radiant. Once a week, I use the Cetaphil Pro Derma Control Purifying Clay Mask for deep cleanse. This purifies and shrinks the appearance of the pores, absorbs oil, and reduces shine. There you go, my loves, my daily skincare routine for my oily and sensitive skin. Hope this video was helpful and hope you guys loved it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.